Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another haul video for you guys. YesStyle was kind enough to send me all of these pieces. I will leave links to them down below in the description box. Before I get into the video, don't forget to follow me on all my different social media accounts, as well as subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads from me. With this haul video, I was trying to step a little bit out of my comfort zone and get pieces that I normally wouldn't buy, or they're just colors that I normally wouldn't purchase. As you guys know, I typically only will buy things that are black, white, gray, and I'll have like the occasional nude piece, but I typically don't stray away from that color scheme. But I wanted to get some pieces that could bring more color and variety into my wardrobe. So the first thing that I got was a skirt. It is another tennis skirt, or I guess one of the pleated schoolgirl skirts. I already have one in white and black. If you guys saw my last haul video, you guys will know I have a current obsession with them. This one is an amazing material. It's really well made. You could just tell just by holding it, the quality of it. It's quite thick, definitely not see-through, and this one fits me quite well. I would say it's still a little bit loose around the waist, but it's not that big of a deal, and it's this really gorgeous nude color, or like light beige. What I like about this one is that it has built-in shorts already, so if your skirt happens to fly up or whatever, you're protected. Your bottom is not going to be out. Just had to get another tennis skirt in this nude color. Now I have one in all of the colors that I generally wear. The next thing I got is another bottom. This is a pair of pants, and I got plaid brown pants. Plaid pants are really in right now. I absolutely love this color scheme. It just gives me coffee shop vibes, that whole cottagecore aesthetic. These ones are really nice because it has an elastic waistband in the back. It will fit nicely around your waist. It makes me look like I have a nice butt. I don't really have a butt. This next piece I think is so adorable. It kind of gives me grandma vibes, but I love that about this piece. It's this super cute pastel blue cardigan. They have these embroidered mini flowers on there. So there's a pink one, there's a blue one over here. It's just super cute, paired with a white turtleneck and some white jeans, or some cream jeans. I think this is a whole vibe, or even with a tennis skirt, this would be super cute. For the look that I was going for, I kind of wished it was a little bit bigger. It's more cropped than I thought it would be. Maybe go a size up, or I would recommend going a size up. This next piece is probably my favorite piece in the entire haul. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. It's another sweater vest. I have a thing for sweater vests right now. I really wanted a brown one, so I got this one, and this one's cropped. It's just like a cable knit type vibe, and it, you know, it's just cute. I have nothing more to say about this. It's just really cute. The next piece I purchased was this dress. It's a black plaid dress, and it's collared, and it has a tie, so you can tie it in the back. In the picture, it was styled with a sweater vest, so I would probably style this dress with this sweater vest on top, and I think that's kind of a vibe, especially since the plaid part is this nude brown color, so I think that it matches quite nicely. And honestly, it's kind of a look, but I'm not sure what shoes I would wear with it just yet. I always have a problem matching shoes with outfits, but this dress is super cute. It also came in this really pretty, I think, pink color. And then the last thing I purchased was another dress. This was probably the only piece that I was low-key disappointed in. I think it was also partially my fault. Probably should have sized up with this piece. It is this gorgeous baby blue dress, and it has this ruching on the side, this string that you can tighten so that it bunches on the side, which is really trendy right now. My only issue with this dress is how short it is. Usually I don't have issues with things being really short on me, just because I am short in general. Things are usually too long for me. However, the way that this fits, and because it's supposed to kind of go up on the one side, it is way too short. The bottom of the dress literally hits just below my bum. There's no way that I'm gonna be able to wear this dress. I'm also not going to show a try on of me putting this dress on just because it's literally so short, and if I move in any sort of way, my entire bum is going to be out, so that's really not a vibe. That is going to be it for this haul video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Also, thank you to YesStyle for sending me all of these items. I can't wait to start incorporating them into my wardrobe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.